In this video, I am going to explain how YouTube TV works and what makes it a popular choice for live TV streaming. YouTube TV is a subscription-based service that offers access to over 100 live TV channels, including sports, news, entertainment, and local broadcast networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, and Fox. For $72.99 per month, you can stream live TV and on-demand content on multiple devices, such as smart TVs, phones, tablets, or streaming devices like Roku and Chromecast. One of its standout features is the Unlimited Cloud DVR, which lets you record shows and keep them for up to 9 months. It also supports up to 3 simultaneous streams, so multiple people in your household can watch at the same time. You can create up to 6 personalized profiles, each with its own recommendations and DVR space. To use YouTube TV, simply sign up at tv.youtube.com, download the app, or access it via a compatible device. There are no ads during live TV, and optional add-ons like Sports Plus or premium movie channels enhance your experience. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand how YouTube TV works, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.